Incidents are events that can be recorded, viewed, and reported in RiskyProject. In RiskyProject, incidents are managed similarly to risks. Incidents can have properties and be classified by defined categories. Click Default Properties to add, delete, or customize incident properties. Click Classifications to view the classifications. Classifications are severity rankings and are based on existing risk severity settings. Click Incident ID Format to configure the format of incidents. The incidents view can be modified by inserting or hiding columns. To add an incident, type the name, date of occurrence, and select the severity ranking. Double-click on an incident to add or update information. In the Incident Information dialog box, you can add description and follow-up plans, other data properties, or link the incident to a risk. To link a risk, select the risk and click the arrow. The risk is now linked to the incident. The Incident Statistic view provides an incident trend chart that shows the number of incidents per month per classification.